All right, now the last variation we're going to do will be the speed. The speed. We're gonna go fast. It's not gonna be easy. I'm telling you now, this one's not gonna be easy. Plus, it's gonna incorporate kind of like two variations at the same time. A repetition with the speed, okay? I'm gonna show it to you. We're gonna start with the basic first. But, like I said before, this is why it's important for you to know the basic and go through every single steps, because now this one should be easier. It's not easy, but it should be easier to do, okay? Big difference. So let's go. I'm gonna show it to you how it goes. I'll show you. Stay with me. So the basic is boom, 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 boom. The variation, boom, boom, ta, ta, ta. Boom, boom, ta, ta, ta. Boom, boom, ta, ta, ta. Boom. The speed, ta, ta, ta. Boom, boom, ta. Boom, boom, ta. Tum, tum, ta. Tum, tum, ta. Boom, boom, ta. Boom, boom, ta. Boom, boom, ta. Boom, boom, ta. You see that? So I'm going to show it to you with the basic and then the variation. Basic and then the variation. All right? Let's go. So we're going to go here. Boom, ta, ta, 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 boom. All right, let's go. Boom, pa, pa, boom, pa, pa, boom, pa, pa, boom, pa, pa. Basic, pa, pa, boom, pa, pa, boom, pa, pa, boom, pa, pa, boom, pa, pa, boom. Boom, pa, 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 double, pa, pa, boom, repetition, ha, pa, pa, fast, boom, 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 pa, 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 he. You see what happened? Did you see that? Right? Now we're gonna do the music. Let's go.
Ariston, music.